Hi, good morning. I want to introduce myself. I'm Gerald Punong Bayan, and I'm here to give my contributions for our term paper in microwave devices. Our device that we will use is a GPS tracker. Uh, we all know that GPS trackers is such a high-end future device that are being using today. And my contribution is to get or to research an advantage of a GPS tracker. The GPS tracker is that we people can track their most precious possessions, such as, for example, the VIP, where you can see or you can look even you're far if the VIP is safe or not. And even some items such as cell phones, laptop, even though they were robbed or snatched from you, you can even find it. And most especially automotive, other VIPs also put uh, GPS tracker for their automotive, and most especially for vehicle owners that are for transportation, such as Grab. They are using this GPS tracker so that they will know where where are their vehicles, or is their vehicle near them. And that's all. It's for me, GPS tracker is the best for tracking.